All right, everybody. It's kind of dark out right now. It's not what I wanted to do. It's not when I wanted to shoot my first video, but it is what it is. Work gets in the way. Things happen. But let me show you guys. So we're working on installing this Holley EFI sniper pump in my 94 Camaro. It's an old car. It is what an old car is. But let me show you guys. So, as you can see, I got my trapdoor cut already. Saw a lot of things online, measurements people did, but I don't really know why they do a whole bunch of different measurements. So I did a 1/2 inch here, and then I just did an inch all around from the edges. Cut came out nice, but gotta get this thing out, and then we'll go to my makeshift shop, and we'll work on getting that pump swapped over. So I'll bring you guys back. I'll bring you guys back in when I get over there. All right, y'all. So we got the fuel pump out. Wasn't too bad. Fuel lines weren't too fun, but only took a little bit. It came out. Not too much of a problem. So we're gonna head over to my makeshift shop, or my my remote garage, as you will. So I'll bring you guys back when we get over there. All right, y'all. So we're at the shop, quote unquote, the shop. This is my little area. A lot to come, but back to what we were doing. I got my 94 Camaro Z28 fuel pump. Fuel pump went bad, so I decided it's a good time to upgrade. So we got our Holley Sniper EFI fuel pump. The only problem is, gotta get this open. Put that right up in there. But we're gonna get to it. I'll let you guys know if anything gives me a problem, how this Holley goes in. I know I gotta splice the wires. That's no problem. Got on my workbench here, which is not done. The rest of it's right there. Top, bottom, all of it. Some seats, they were gonna be mine, but I gave them to my brother. He'll be here in a little bit. He's got his Integra. Some little things. This is my little area. Jeep. Obviously it's in a unit complex, but people here have an understanding of what I'm doing in here. It's my own little garage away from home, because we don't have a garage at our house. So this is our remote garage where we can do our things, hopefully shoot some videos. This is our first video, so don't know if it's the first one you guys are gonna see, but it's the first one being shot. And you know, if you follow us, you'll probably be seeing a lot more of this place, and hopefully we can have get to some bigger and better things. You know, a little area over here, but yeah, hopefully as time goes by, we can maybe start a little business. Maybe YouTube will go, and we can move on to bigger places. Maybe we can go somewhere. But until I get into this thing, I'll bring you guys back when I got that open. I'll show you once I get that in. I'll show you how it goes in and everything. But I'll bring you guys back when my brother gets here. We'll introduce you to him. But, you know, until then, I'm out. Alright, y'all, we're going to surprise him because I have not told him when we started filming yet. So, he's going to be shocked. He just got done AutoZone. So we'll see how he's doing. Hey!
What's up?
What's going on? What happened to the bumper?
Huh?
What happened to the bumper?
What do you mean?
That's what I mean. That must have just popped up.
Yeah, I need to do some body fitting.
Yeah.
What is all cool? Auto body settled up.
Screw it. If Autobody's gonna do it, I'd do it.
What?
I said if Autobody's gonna do it, I'd do it. But, like I told them, you didn't know we just started filming today.
Yeah.
But this is where I'm at with this. Oh, it fell, I guess. I don't know. It was just like that when I came in. I guess the strips don't like the heat. But I'm just getting into it, so I'll bring you guys back in a little bit. See ya. Alright, so for the Holley EFI Sniper fuel pump for my 94 Camaro anyway, it came with this topper. It doesn't come with any instructions, so it's kind of a do-it-all-yourself thing. So I took the rubber topper that came off the stock one, and I modified it a little bit, and I cut a couple pieces off, and it works pretty good on this. And then the body insulator, I just cut it down the size where I think I'll need it, and that should go on, and it'll all fit right back in. And I'll glue it up and let it sit overnight, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. But I don't know how they want this to work. I don't know if it goes on the bottom. I don't know if it goes on the top. Doesn't look like it's going to go on the bottom because it looks like it'll restrict me actually seating it into here. So I'm not sure what they want because they don't give you anything. So if you just cut up that original one, it should fit good. It looks good to me. That's where I'm going to leave it. I'm going to assemble it, put it together, and let it sit overnight, and then we can get back to it. This hose, a lot of people seem to be having trouble with this hose on YouTube, but I just ran it over my heat gun and then worked it, and if you're patient enough, you can work it off, no problems. You can keep the hose if you need. You're able to get your fuel line out so you can hook up your new gas line and put it there. But it's kind of it for now. So I'm going to put it together. I'll show you guys what it is together, and that's kind of it for the night. So is there anything you want to add?
I took my back seats out.
Oh, and he took his back seats out because he's going full race car, apparently.
Front wheel drive.
In the front wheel drive canary yellow Integra, but she got nice wheels. Kinda, they need to be cleaned up, but they look like they'll buff out. Alright guys, well, on that note, we'll just put this together and I'll bring it back in. Alright guys, so I got this all glued up. I'm using steel all, so I'm gonna let it sit overnight, and then we'll get back to reassembling everything tomorrow. See how it works. Hopefully it's much better, but we'll see. So we're gonna kick it. We're gonna go home. We got things to do during the day. He's got school and work. I got work all day. So after I work all day, I'll be coming back bringing you guys back in on the whole ordeal and how the reinstall goes. And we might go see him because I think I'm going to need some fuel lines. So we'll check back in with you guys tomorrow. All right.